Most people believe that to find peace you must fight, control, or suppress every negative thought that enters your mind. But suppressing thoughts is like trying to hold a ball underwater. It only builds tension until it snaps back to the surface. True tranquility begins not when the mind becomes silent, but when you stop identifying with every thought it produces. You do not need to escape to a mountain monastery or abandon your daily life to awaken your true self. The noise of everyday life, traffic, deadlines, difficult conversations, is not an obstacle to awakening, but the exact laboratory where self-realization takes place. Awakening happens right here, in the middle of your routine. At the core of suffering is the illusion that you are the internal narrative running constantly in your head. When you shift from being the thinker of the thought to the conscious witness of the thought, the ego loses its power over your emotional state. You realize you are the sky, and thoughts are merely passing clouds. Much of your inner turmoil comes from fighting what is already happening in the present moment. Resistance creates friction, but radical acceptance instantly diffuses mental tension. When you stop demanding that this moment be different than it is, a profound state of natural calm automatically emerges. Awakening is not an all-or-nothing event, but a series of quiet micro-moments practiced throughout your day. A single conscious breath before answering an email, or 5 seconds of non-judgmental awareness while waiting in line, resets your entire nervous system. When you practice self-inquiry by asking yourself, who is aware of this stress right now, you pull your awareness out of emotional spirals. This simple question redirects your attention from the dramatic narrative of the mind back to the underlying presence of your true self. As your connection to this inner observer deepens, peace ceases to be something you chase and becomes your foundational baseline. External circumstances may still fluctuate, but your internal anchor remains unmoved amidst the chaos. Peace is not something you acquire from the outside world, it is the natural state of your core self once you stop clinging to the mind's endless noise.